Okay, she's under the table. Where is she?
She's right there. Ah, you guys can't see her. Oh my gosh, she's right there. Right there.
Oh, there she is.
Come on, baby. You were doing it a minute ago.
Oh, wow. There she goes.
Gotta move this out of the way. Like, oh my god. She's so funny.
As soon as she finds it, she just goes for it. Oh, the joys of having a cat.
Oh my gosh. And she like doesn't know how many times we'll do this since she's like, she survived one day with us. Yay. Go. Cute. Mwah, Papa. Go for it. Oh yeah, we're just using a laser to try and tease our
It's
cat.
actually like a temperature reader.
Yeah, we're using that.
Yeah.
And it's adorable.
Because, well, I mean, we have a laser pointer upstairs.
Yeah, true, but this is adorable, guys. Just like
Still
saying.
adorable.
Like, this is Vanilla Bean. Just like
This is
saying.
This is Vanilla Bean.
She is adorable. She is
Freaking
3 years
adorable.
old.
I love her. I love her. She's 3.
And we got her yesterday, but like, she's so playful and she loves us.
Yeah.
Well, guys, lullaby.